customers exert continuous price pressure, machine building cost is rising, and your margins are getting tight, we have a solution for that. FR D800. Hi, I'm Wojciech Bracha, Strategic Product Manager for AC Drives at Mitsubishi Electric Europe. Today, I will show you that solution, and 3 reasons is the most cost-efficient way to reduce build cost without compromising reliability. As an OEM, you are under constant price pressure. Competition is heavier, technology is becoming commoditized, and lower-cost market challengers are everywhere. Margins are tight, yet your customers still expect uptime, performance, and short lead times. You need to take cost out of each build, simplify your portfolio, shorten the engineering time, and protect reliability across the installed base. FR D800 can reduce your pains. It is our compact, cost-efficient, entry-level drive that brings you capabilities you would usually find only in flagship, more expensive models in the market. In practice, that means a lower bill of material cost per machine, fewer variants to manage, and shorter engineering time per project. And now, let me prove you its worth. The FR D800 is designed to slash your engineering hours from day one. Smart wiring, USB-C programming, and CPU power-up directly from the cable transform setup into a quick, streamlined task, cutting commissioning and build time by up to 50%. Add fast, automatic tuning for both induction and synchronous permanent magnet motors, and your machine is up and running quickly, smoothly, and without costly delays. The result? Optimal drive performance that aligns perfectly with your machine's intended output. Built to very strict Japanese industrial standards with the European market in mind, the FR D800 delivers a class-leading 10-year continuous operation lifespan. This exceptional durability makes cost planning easier, reduces your warranty risks, and keeps total cost of ownership predictable. It is one of the longest lasting and most reliable drives at its price point, meaning fewer service calls, higher machine uptime, and total confidence when specifying it even for cost-sensitive applications. FR D800 comes standard with the kind of predictive and preventive maintenance features, usually reserved for higher-end drives. Built-in diagnostics such as DC-link capacitor life estimation, cooling fan monitoring, and IGBT thermal tracking give you early warnings you can act on. Schedule maintenance during plant stops, reduce emergency interventions, and cut field failures across your entire installed base. Combined with integrated IoT connectivity, the FR D800 empowers you to offer remote monitoring services and build proactive, uptime-driven business models without adding cost to your bill of materials. If you are an OEM or end user, reliability wins. When machine price and uptime determine market success, the FR D800 gives you a competitive edge. A cost-efficient, reliable drive platform that scales across your product lineup and strengthens your value proposition. One solution to rising costs. 3 reasons it works: superior performance, exceptional durability, high value features, unmatched by any other entry-level drive. Convinced? If yes, don't wait and visit our website for more information.